to new developments in the case we have been following very closely. A Spokane mother accused of starving and physically abusing her 8-year-old son is once again in the Spokane County Jail a week after she was accidentally released. KXLY4's Caroline Rourke was the only reporter to speak with Leslie Baker at the jail today before she was in court this afternoon. Caroline?
Nadine, Leslie Baker agreed to speak to us from the jail today, but when we got there, she had changed her mind. She did tell me she wants to share her side of this story. She just wants to do it in court. And when she faced a judge for the second time today, that's exactly what Leslie Baker did.
I did not miss that hearing because I was not willing to go. I have never missed a court hearing for any infraction in my whole life.
Last week, Leslie Baker was booked and released from jail after posting bond, missed her first court date and was arrested again, appeared in court, saw her bond doubled, and was then mistakenly released from jail, all in less than 72 hours.
There was a clerical error at the jail and Miss Baker was released without the $100,000 being posted.
That was the subject of a tense hearing in court today.
I did not know that I had another warrant for my arrest. How would I know that someone accidentally released me? If they I did not know.
Baker said she's been a willing participant in these proceedings, insisting that she turned herself in last night. And the prosecutor didn't deny that.
It's the state's position that she came last night because she was contacted and told either she turns herself in or she goes in via arrest. It's been 8 days with a daily and nightly search for Miss Baker to find her.
That's because Baker wasn't at the home where the court last week ordered her to stay. She and her attorney say that's because she was evicted from that apartment, which they both told the court last week.
That's where she was ordered to stay, but she was being evicted from that home. Miss Baker really had no chance to actually go back there.
The state asked the judge to increase Baker's bond a second time to $150,000.
Your Honor, we're asking for an additional $50,000 due to serious concerns about the administration of justice and potential flight.
The judge gave Baker the chance to share her story, but ultimately sided with the prosecutor.
That's impossible.
Court's going to set the bond of $150,000. Keep the arraignment date as scheduled.
That arraignment date is scheduled for next week. Now, we have tried to find any information on the alleged victim in this case. The last, of course, we've been able to confirm is that he is safe. In studio, Caroline Rourke, KXLY4 News.
Thank you, Caroline.